Oh, thought I'd give you guys a little look. Today, we're out here at Camp Fishtails. So Camp Fishtails is a camp set up not just for kids, but adults as well. Mentally handicapped, disabled, you know, needy. People that need a little extra help, a little extra support. And this is done by many groups that organize and donate. But today's the annual kickoff. So we're out here with the Christian Motorcyclist Association and we're supporting like we usually do. Our group supports Camp Fishtails. We're out here just about once a week, twice a week, something like that. Haven't done much myself, looking to try to get into it more, but we have been to a couple events. So as a CMA, as you see, we are supporting and having lots of fun. So there's some things that we got going on. We got the camp store, got a lot of things going on. They have the rock wall that they can use, big lake out here. This is the new playground that they just put up, and I'll show you guys here. These are a bunch of the people that have donated and helped out. Rock wall rules, but yeah, nice little playground that they put in for all the kids. So there's lots of stuff going on out here. I mean, doing things all the time. So yeah, they've got cabins out here that you can go to. See, they got support, night cabins, go camping, water areas out here so you can go have fun and fish and whatnot. And boating area, lots of cool stuff going on. So I'm gonna do a little walk through here, kind of walk around this little area, give you guys a look and see what's going on. So we'll talk to you guys in a few seconds. We're walking. See, there's lots of cabin areas, lots of trees for hammocking. You know, just chilling, having fun. Boats, paddle boats. Nice little dock for everyone so they can get in there. Little beach type area. You can come chill and enjoy the beach. Little sanded area. Lots of different stuff going on. We've got lots of mobility. So, Frank's Outdoors, one of the sponsors. Also got some kayaks and whatnot. Got some mobility things so that the kids can get around. People can get around. Not just kids. I'm sure they're all young at heart. They're adults and they need some special needs, special care. Things that you can't do at the normal spots. This facility, they've tried to provide a little bit of extra. It's all faith driven. Not a big credit union. There's your nice little outdoor chapel area. Yeah, another one of the buildings here in between. Have a nice little fire pit area so that you can enjoy. Lots of sidewalks, access to the buildings. Bathrooms, shower areas for everyone. Separated bathrooms. Yeah. It's a cabin. Smaller little cabins, wheelchair accessible ramps on everything. There's another one of the fire pit areas, all set up for everyone so they can enjoy and have a good time. Here we are at Camp Fishtails. This is the annual kickoff, ribbon ceremony. Got some things going on, new things happening around. So yeah, I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of clip. recreation rec area. Could definitely enjoy your time out here, having a family gathering. Lots of cool, fun stuff going on. Lots of stuff. Bikes for the kids to ride, helmets provided. We'll walk into the store real quick while she's talking. But,
In 1989, Mr. Wackerly spawned the idea of fishtails. His son had muscular dystrophy and attended a fishing tournament that raised money to send kids to camp. This camp was on the west side of the state. It's in the Grand Rapids area. And the length of travel was not easy for some. At the time, Ben attended Saginaw Valley, so his father decided to contact them about holding a camp there. The first camps were held at Saginaw Valley in 93 and 94. The camp then moved to Delta College in 95. The very first camp held on site was in the summer of 96, all within the main lodge. Jimmy Smith is here today, and Jimmy is our very first camper at Camp Fishtails. So 30 years ago, Jimmy attended camp. I don't know where he's at. Jimmy, are you here? You need to be front and center. Woohoo!
Where are you?
keep going, Jimmy. You're good.
We're so happy Jimmy could be here today. The Metro does not travel on Sundays, so in the past we've had our open house on the Sundays and Jimmy has not been able to join us, so I'm thankful that Jimmy is here today.
Woo!
Camp creates an atmosphere where many campers can experience activities that enable them to feel empowered and confident. A typical day for a camper would include fishing off the dock, hopping on Bubba's Harley and everyone else who brings their Harleys every Thursday night, swimming, boating, climbing the rock wall, or shooting at archery targets. Each day at camp brings an exciting new adventure and draws us all closer to nature. This is truly a priceless resource for the Great Lakes Bay region and beyond. We have grown tremendously. This is a little side note. In 2018, I only have numbers from when I was here. We had about 116 campers, and last year we had 341 come through our doors.
Rock on!
In one of the earlier articles I read, Don Wackerly stated, "A long time ago I forgot the word can't." We couldn't agree more. Our campers find strength and self-confidence in the things that they can do, which is why we're incredibly proud and thankful for our newly expanded adaptive playground. This playground first originated with 4 pieces of equipment, which are still here, and a mulch base. This was granted to camp from the Bay Area Community Foundation and the Detroit Pistons in 2014. Volunteers built the existing 4 pieces that you still see today. It's always windy by the bay. I personally also like to channel forgetting the word can't. I eyed this project with an overwhelming number of questions and the lack of knowing where to begin. I had never in my life attempted to raise this much money, and from the inception, I wanted the playground completed within a year. I was driven by the wish to show the campers what they can do independently. And safely. Yeah. Oh, you are amazing. The rubber matting you are standing on today is what originally inspired me to take on this challenge. So with throwing caution to the wind like I normally do, and a what have I got to lose attitude, here we are today. The following clubs and organizations, foundations, businesses, and donors warm my heart, and they truly get all the kudos today. And I'm going to read a list of those, and it is a little bit lengthy, but I do think it's important for us to recognize the people who helped us create this today. The Kanzler Foundation, the Midland Lions Club, the Bay City Lions Club, and I am a Lion. They do wonderful work for our community. Russell H. Maxine E. Smith Foundation, the Airborne Angler, Pinconning Class of 1970, who are represented today, Scarborough Automotive Foundation, Hemlock Semiconductor Cares Fund, Tim and Beth Patel, Bay Area Community Foundation, Herbert H. and Grace A. Dow Foundation, Roland M. Gerstacker Foundation, I already said Russell H., Charles J. Strosacker Foundation, Benefit for Kids, ITC Holdings, Nathalie Aubrey Memorial Fund, Northern Bay County Fund, Youth Advisory Endowment Fund, Oscar P. and Louise H. and I always Ostfelder, is that good, Joni? Advisory Fund, and the Men's Philanthropy Group Endowment Fund. So a huge list, but we are grateful for them. Yes, big round of applause. And they are also listed on this plaque right here, and we can get pictures afterwards. And this is going to go up on a fake tree stump and be part of the playground forever. Each and every one of you, again, deserves a huge round of applause. After finishing here, I would like the donors to come up for pictures. A quick note, we're still taking registrations on our website, campfishtales.org. Tales is like the story, T-A-L-E-S. I already told you we had 341 campers come through our doors in 2022, and in 2023, we are already slated to surpass that number. This is all really due to our amazing staff. I know Tim is here, our camp director, if he wants to give a wave. And then Ken is here, our maintenance supervisor, who is awesome, yes. And then Tammy, our cook, is here, and Muriel, our nurse, is here. And then we are a nonprofit, so we have a board of directors. Wave your hand if you were on the board. I see that our chair made it back from getting hot dogs. She is front and center right here, so that's a good thing. I truly couldn't do what I do without you guys, so I appreciate everything you do. If you guys have any questions in regard to programming or scheduling, you can talk to myself or Tim, and we can help you out. Oh yes, the rock wall is not up. I'm sorry the rock wall is not up. It used to sit right here, and the playground took its place, so we have to pour another pad to get that up for the summer, and we're going to do that before June 4th is when our season starts. If you guys want to fish, ride the pontoon boat, or there's more hot dogs now, eat some hot dogs or take a tour, all of the buildings are open. And thank you for your support over the years. And donors, please come up, and we are going to do the ribbon cutting. So if the donors want to step on this side, everyone who gave to the playground, we can get a picture with the ribbon cutting. Thank you for holding that, Jeff.
Assistant Media Director Mike. Send them pictures for Joyce so she can put them on her site. Oh, of course. Yeah, all that dope out.
I'm sorry you two didn't finish. I'm still so
I'm going to be back.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I know. I was looking for you about it.
You didn't see me?
No, we didn't see you.
No, I didn't make it to my show. Go ahead. Go ahead, dear.
I just wanted to No, I didn't.
I just got you a big donkey.
I don't know.
Okay, are we ready? Let's all first.
So somebody can pick that.